Hydrating eye cream. This ceramide infused under eye cream works to noticeably reduce the appearance of fine lines caused by dryness. Rich in ceramides. This ceramide infused eye cream helps replenish ceramides, a vital part of your skin's natural moisture barrier. For dry, sensitive skin, this daily eye cream gently hydrates with care for a soft and dewy complexion. Fragrance-free, pH-balanced, colorant-free, this hydrating eye cream is formulated without drying alcohols for dry, sensitive skin. Double hydration. Use after moisturizing with Curel Japanese Skin Care Moisture Facial Milk or Curel Intensive Moisture Facial Cream for a complete hydration skin care routine. Intense hydration concentrated in a lightweight eye cream. Curel Japanese Skin Care Moisture Repair Eye Cream deeply hydrates and visibly reduces dry fine lines. This rich and concentrated cream nourishes the dry, sensitive eye area with long-lasting hydration, leaving skin feeling firm. This eye cream makes fine lines caused by dryness less noticeable and helps smooth the application of eye makeup. This pH-balanced under eye cream helps fill up the skin ceramide reservoir, a vital part of your natural moisture. For best results, use after Curel Moisture Facial Milk or Curel Intensive Moisture Facial Cream. Satisfaction guaranteed. Limitations may apply. Top reviews from the United States. Curel Under Eye Cream. I like this product. I have a hard time with under eye creams making my eyes water or even sting a bit. I put them on under my eye and not touching my eye, but they seem to creep up. This goes on very nicely and doesn't bother my eyes at all. Also, my under eye doesn't feel dry all day.